Good morning, fourth graders. This video will help you with Math, Module 7, Lesson 5, homework. All right, the directions say draw a tape diagram to solve the following problems. Timmy drank 2 quarts of water yesterday. He drank twice as much water today as he drank yesterday. How many cups of water did Tommy drink in the 2 days? I have a pen tool. If you do not, you can always go here and use a scribble tool to write on yours, or you can use a piece of paper and write the answers down and then type them in the box. All right, and so we know that Timmy drank 2 quarts of water yesterday, but they're going to want our answer in cups, so we'll have to do some conversions. So today, Timmy drank 2 quarts. So my tape diagram will have 2 boxes, and that means 2 quarts, 2 QT for quart. And I have learned through my conversions this week that 1 quart is the same as 4 cups. So inside each box would be a 4. So 2 quarts is the same as 8 cups. 8 and then C for cup. He drank twice as much water today as he drank yesterday. So that means yesterday, and I'll just put YES or yesterday, he did not drink twice as much as today. Today he drank more. So yesterday the answer has to be less. So it's going to have to be a number times, and now twice means 2. So if you did something twice, it means you did it 2 times. So he drank twice as much water today as he drank yesterday. So what number times 2 would give me 8 cups? And we know that, that answer is 4. So yesterday he had to have had 4 cups of water. And then today he drank twice as much, so we had 8 cups of water. So now we can answer the question since we solved those hidden problems. How many cups of water did Timmy drink in the 2 days? So combined, if he drank 8 cups today and half of that, or twice as much today than he did yesterday, and that's 4. 8 plus 4 would be 12 cups. And so in the box, I would want to type Timmy drank Timmy drank 12 cups, not 2 cups, 12 cups. 12 would be your answer. So you want to type in 12 cups. Number 2. Lisa recorded a 2-hour television show. When she watched it, she skipped the commercials. It took her 84 minutes to watch the show. How many minutes did she save by skipping the commercials? All right, so we know that Lisa, since we have to use a tape diagram, watched a 2-hour television show. So I'll draw my tape diagram with 2 boxes, and that's 2 hours. We have learned from our conversions in the past week that 1 hour is the same as 60 minutes. And I need to know that because they're not asking my answer in hours. They're asking me in minutes. So they're giving me numbers in hours, but they want the answer in minutes. So inside each box for 2 hours would be a 60. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour, 60 minutes in another hour. And if I added those together, 60 plus 60 is 120 minutes. Because 60 plus 60 is 120, or 60 times 2 is 120. So Lisa watched 2 hours or 120 minutes of TV. But she skipped the commercials, which probably most of us do. So I'm going to put an S for skip. And when she skipped the commercials, she only watched for 84 minutes. They want to know, what's the difference? How much time did she save? If she didn't skip the commercials, she would have had to sit for 120 minutes. But since she did, she only sat for 84. So what's the difference? What would that number right there be to make it get to 120? So I could say 84 plus what number equals 120? or I could subtract. 120 minus 84. 10 take away 4 is 6. 11 take away 8 is 3. And it would be 36 minutes saved. So by skipping the commercials, Lisa saved 36 minutes. Or if I put 36 here, 84 plus 36 would equal 120. All right, we only have one left, number 3. Jason bought 2 pounds of cashews. Sarah ate 9 ounces. David ate 2 ounces more than Sarah. How many ounces were left in Jason's bag of cashews? Okay, so we know that Jason is a J. And in my tape diagram, I'm going to draw 2 boxes because it was 2 pounds. So this would be 2 pounds. And remember, pounds is LB. All right. I have learned in this week from my conversions that 1 pound is the same as 16 ounces. So if she had Jason had 2 pounds, it would be a 16 in both boxes. And 16 plus 16 is 32 ounces. There we go. All right, but now we know that he doesn't have that anymore because his friend Sarah ate 9 ounces. So we're going to draw another tape diagram the same size underneath. Sarah ate 9. So we'll put a 9 here. Then I'm going to just label it S for Sarah. That's Sarah's. David ate 2 ounces more than Sarah. So he ate Sarah's 9 and 2 more ounces. And that would be David. How many ounces were left in Jason's bag of cashews? So they want to know what number would go here. So if I added 9 plus 9 plus 2, what other number would I need to add to make it 32? So let's think. 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 2. So I'm adding Sarah and David's. 9 plus 9 plus 2 is 18 plus 2 is 20. So together, Sarah and David ate 20 ounces. But Jason had 32. So to find the difference, what number would go here? I need to subtract 32 ounces minus 20 ounces. So how many ounces were left in Jason's bag of cashews? The answer would be 12 ounces. All right, make sure you type that in there, and I hope that helps.